Hello students, today I will discuss about modern physics, specifically quantum theory and more specifically photoelectricity. So why photoelectricity is a part of the quantum theory? Because it describes the particle nature of light. That is the quantum nature of light. Therefore it belongs to quantum theory. We know that we discuss about the wave nature of light, sometimes we discuss about the quantum nature of light, but here we are discussing the quantum nature of light. It was discovered by Heinrich Rudolf Hertz, and by his experiment the particle nature, the quantum nature of light was shown. So from the name it is obvious that electricity is found from light, that is from photo. So photo means light, electricity. So from light we are getting the electricity. We take this as a metal surface. This is a metal surface. Now when photon, that is light, falls on it, we know that light contains the photon particles, photons, that is energy particles, and each photon contains the energy like E is equal to h nu. Actually here Einstein applied the Planck's theory. Planck applied this theory in case of black body radiation. Einstein modified this theory in case of light, and he told that photon contains the energy E is equal to h nu. So that light falls here, h nu, with h nu amount of energy. Now within the metal surface, this is the metal surface, within the metal, what happens? The free electrons move within the metal surface, within the metal, and they have more energy than the bound electrons, but they cannot escape the metal surface. Why? Because we assume that there is a potential barrier. There is a potential barrier. The free electrons cannot overcome that potential barrier. So some extra energy is needed. Now the minimum energy to overcome the potential barrier, the minimum energy to overcome the potential barrier is called work function, and that is denoted either W naught or phi naught is equal to h nu. Here again we are applying the concept E varies with frequency, that is this one, E varies with frequency. Here also we are applying that E varies with frequency. Here this is some amount of energy. So phi naught varies with nu naught. So phi naught is equal to h nu naught. What is this nu naught? Nu naught is called threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is the minimum frequency above which if h nu has the value, then only it will escape from the metal surface. So nu naught is the minimum frequency. Above that, nu should be greater than or nu should be greater than or equal to nu naught. Nu should be greater than or equal to nu naught. This is the condition. Then only photoelectricity is possible. Now, so this amount of energy will be absorbed here, and then it will escape the metal surface. But what is the difference? The original energy is equal to h nu. This much energy is needed to overcome the potential barrier. So the difference of energy E minus nu naught, phi naught, E minus phi naught. This is the difference of energy, E minus phi naught is equal to the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. Remember, these are the photons and these are the electrons. Photons are coming, they are supplying the energy to the electrons, and then electrons are released. Okay, students have to be very careful about this matter. Sometimes they write they are also photons, they are electrons, they change the thing. But photons are coming, they are supplying the energy to the free electrons. The electrons are overcoming the potential barrier getting minimum energy of work function. Then difference of energy, that is E minus phi naught. E minus phi naught is equal to half mv square. That is the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. So this phenomena is called photoelectricity or photoemissions. Photoemission of electrons. Okay. Now E minus phi naught is equal to half mv square. Now E is equal to h nu. Phi naught is equal to h nu naught. So this difference is equal to half mv square. Now h within bracket nu minus nu naught is equal to half mv square. So actually this is the famous equation of Einstein's famous equation of photoelectric equation. This is Einstein's photoelectric equation. Einstein's photoelectric equation. Photoelectric equation. Now I will discuss about the importance of photoelectric equation. See, from here there is no time function. So we can say that there is no appreciable time lag between the incidence of photons and the emission of photoelectrons, since there is no time function. Next is, if nu is greater than equal to nu naught, then only the photoemission is possible. If it is equal to, then the electrons will just float and move and they will not have any kinetic energy. But if nu is greater than nu naught, then the electrons will have this type of kinetic energy. So photoelectricity is the instantaneous phenomena, and the incidence frequency should be greater than or equal to the threshold frequency. Then only photo emission is possible. So this is about Einstein's equation, the basic idea of photoelectricity, Einstein's establishment of Einstein equation and its discussion. I think you have liked it, and try to subscribe my channel, give like wherever possible. Thank you.